When repairing an anchor, stop tightening as soon as the anchor resists spinning and the screw feels firm under hand pressure. An effective check begins by seating the anchor flush with the substrate while turning the screw slowly until you encounter steady resistance. Use a hand driver rather than a power tool for final turns so you can feel torque feedback and avoid sudden over-tightening that can strip the repair material. If the repair uses a chemical adhesive, allow the manufacturer's specified cure time before loading, and during that time, avoid any test loads that could deform the bond. For hollow wall anchors, verify the toggle or expansion element has fully engaged behind the panel by applying moderate pull force and observing no movement. You can test this by pulling the mounted object slightly towards you with steady pressure of about 20 to 30 pounds when feasible. When working with threaded inserts in wood or masonry, back the screw out and reinsert to confirm the insert does not rotate in its hole. If it turns, remove the screw and reseat the insert with additional epoxy or a larger diameter repair sleeve. Always match screw length and diameter to the anchor specification so the screw head compresses the fastened material without bottoming out or pulling through the anchor. Common mistakes include over-tightening until the repair material strips, which ruins holding power. So stop when the screw becomes stiff and then test with moderate force before full loading. Another common issue is testing too early before adhesive cures, which can give a false sense of security. Follow cure times and avoid loading until the chemical set is complete. A third problem is using the wrong driver method, such as high-speed impact, which can mask resistance and cause sudden stripping. Use a hand driver for final seating and a controlled low speed for initial placement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around repair needs like anchor installation so we can find local help or offer our services. We also host a discussion community where we share tips and troubleshooting so our members can learn best practices and avoid common mistakes.